Wesley Elementary is our school this week for our Campus Close-Up series. Now, this is a school that went from a D to a B. I'm gonna go talk to parents about what it's like having students here and what it's like having them now at a B-rated school. Let's go. What's been your experience having your kids come to Wesley Elementary?
It honestly has been a great experience. My son started kindergarten in 2020. My second son, so Jameson, he was a pandemic baby full. Like, he was with me since birth. His teacher, oh my gosh, like I give her so much praise because his teacher really made the difference.
But going into like these more recent years, this school went from a D to a B. Yes. So it improved from just dramatically in 1 year.
It did.
That experience, what was that experience like for you?
We noticed the structure is a lot better, and we noticed the schoolwork. The way that the curriculum is, we've noticed he's learned a lot. We're like, wow, like you've learned all this in like this amount of time. We like for him to show us what he has learned, that he understands the homework, and he shows us like, look, I did it, and so and then we see what they are working on.
If you could talk to them directly and let them, like, what would be your message to them if you could tell them something?
Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you for everything that you have done for my kids, for my family, for involving me in, everything with the school, having the open communication. Thank you. Honestly, I'm just so grateful.